Well, we've performed better, but we'll take. You know, when you think about the mileage that we've done this week, the time that we've been away, the disruption to sleep patterns, you know, this was a big game for us today, and we're delighted with certainly with elements of the first half and elements of the second half where we did control the game, and it could have been more than 4 today, but I think we did look a little bit tired towards the end, and I think that was the only reason it wasn't more than 4, if I'm totally honest.
We did well. I think maybe in the first half we didn't play to our full potential, but I think when you're not playing well and you're still scoring goals, that speaks volumes about sort of the character that we have and the quality that we have.
Been trying to get into those positions a bit more, and because I know Joe, he always goes past his man most times. So then, just happy that he put it on the plate for me, really.